2, 3, 4. It's going live on the tone.
3, 2, 1. Dabs FPV 15.8 in second. Old Man FPV 21 flat in first. Evolve 26.3 in fourth. Sedhendo 30.8 in third. Old Man FPV 16.5 in first. Old Man FPV 18.8 in first. Sedhendo 31.5 in third. Evolve 42 flat in fourth. 45 seconds left. Old Man FPV 21 flat in first. .30 seconds left. Sedhendo 27.1 in second. Old Man FPV 15.8 in first. Evolve 31.2 in 13 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Old Man FPV 18.4 in first. 3, 2, 1. Sedhendo 26.7 in second.
I got it, it's just putting it all together at the same time.
It's too wide sometimes.
Yeah, turning the Horizon Hobby Gate especially.
Yeah, you're going like...
Well, I can keep it fast when I can keep the momentum.
Evolve 32.7 in third. Evolve done.
Can you ride along with me as like I fly and talk to me?
Huh?
Can you talk to me while I fly, by chance?
David, will you give me a hug while I fly?
Sure, it's break time right now.
Is it?
Sedhendo 36.4 in second. Sedhendo done. All pilots are finished.